Delhi Sultanate MCQs for competitive exams. First question: who was the first ruler to issue coins in Arabic script in India? Options are Alauddin Khilji, Qutbuddin Aybak, Iltutmish, Balban. Right answer is option C, Iltutmish. The term Iqta refers to. Options are religious tax, land grant to officials, military uniform, coinage system. Answer is option B, land grant to officials. Who introduced the system of measurement of land for revenue collection? Options are Alauddin Khilji, Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Sher Shah Suri. Right answer is option A, Alauddin Khilji. Who was the founder of Tughlaq dynasty? Options are Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Firoz Shah Tughlaq or Nasiruddin Mahmud. Right answer is option A, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Which sultan built the city of Siri? Balban, Alauddin Khilji, Qutbuddin Aybak, Rajia Sultana. Right answer is option B, Alauddin Khilji. The invasion of Timur took place during the reign of. Options are Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Nasiruddin Mahmud or Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Right answer is option C, Nasiruddin Mahmud. Which sultan described himself as shadow of God? Qutbuddin Aybak, Balban, Iltutmish, Alauddin Khilji. Answer is option B, Balban. Which dynasty ruled the Delhi Sultanate for the longest period? Options are Slave, Khilji, Tughlaq, Lodi. Right answer is option C, Khilji dynasty. Option C, Tughlaq dynasty ruled the Delhi Sultanate for the longest period. Who was the author of Tawaqat-i-Nasri? Options are Ziauddin Varani, Minhaj-i-Shiraz, Amir Khusrau, Al-Biruni. Right answer is option B, Minhaj-i-Shiraz. Next, the Delhi Sultan who adopted the title Sikandari Sani. Options are Balban, Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Right answer is option B, Alauddin Khilji. The concept of blood and iron was emphasized by. Options are Alauddin Khilji, Firoz Shah, Balban, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Right answer is option C, Balban. Which sultan declared himself as caliph? Options are Iltutmish, Balban, Muhammad bin Tughlaq or Alauddin Khilji. Answer is option C, Balban, who declared himself as caliph. Which of the following was not a dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate? Lodi, Sayyid, Tughlaq, Mughal. Obviously answer is option D, Mughal. 14. Which sultan increased taxes in the Doab region? Options are Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Balban. Answer is option B, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Which sultan was known for his unsuccessful experiments? Options are Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Firuz Shah Tughlaq, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Right answer is option B, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Next, the Battle of Tarain was fought between. Options are Ghiyasuddin Balban and Mongols, Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori, Alauddin Khilji and Rajput, or Sher Shah and Humayun. Options B is the right answer, Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori. Which Delhi Sultan was a great calligrapher and had a passion of writing the Quran? Answer is option B, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Which Sultan abolished the hereditary nobility? Options are Iltutmish, Balban, Alauddin Khilji, Firuz Shah Tughlaq. Right answer is option C, Alauddin Khilji, who abolished the hereditary nobility. Who founded the Lodi dynasty? Ibrahim Lodi, Sikandar Lodi, Behlul Lodi, or Daulat Khan Lodi? Right answer is option C, Behlul Lodi. Which Sultan created the Department of Agriculture called Diwani Kohi? Options are Balban, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Alauddin Khilji, or Firuz Shah Tughlaq. Right answer is option B, Muhammad bin Tughlaq.